In this video, we are looking at digital cordless phones and how they are connected to an intercom telephone system. This is an example of a digital cordless phone. When you look around it, it does not have any cable connection. It is really cordless. With this, you don't need to be glued to your desk in order to communicate on your PBS system. You can move about freely. That is provided you are within the permissible radius. And so in this video, we would look at how these digital cordless phones are connected to these kinds of PBS switches that normally connects to their extensions through hardwired cables. Take for instance this extension. It connects through this cable into the telephone socket, and the telephone socket is connected to the PBS switch. This handset, as cordless as it is, it cannot work without this base unit. In fact, it connects by wireless means to the base unit. The base unit has a power supply point which powers the base unit in order to charge the handset whenever it is placed on the base unit. For cable connection to the PBS switch, this is where the cable is plugged. Here is a telephone cable. I will just plug it in here and put the other end into this already wired socket. This is also an adapter to power up the base unit. I will plug it here. And plug this end into my power socket. Everything is ready now. The power is here, and the cabling that goes to the sockets is here, going into this socket. So I will just place my handset on the base unit. So with this, I can make an intercom call. I can just dial 605, initiate the call, and it is going through. This handset is able to communicate with the base unit even when you take the handset away up to 60 meters from the base unit in an indoor environment. And it goes further when you use it in an open space. And so in case you do not want to lay cables in your PBS setup, you could use these handsets where you can keep the base units at a central location, whilst only the handsets are placed at the various stations where the extensions are needed. But that is only possible if your extensions can be within the 60-meter distance from the base units. It's been a pleasure coming your way again. If you find value in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Also visit our channel at www.youtube.com/@tech_inside_out for more videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.